Hi gang, today I want to show you how to join a group meetup, but first of all we're going to select our training before we join that group meetup, because if you are a part of our program and we have our training coming right in from Training Peaks, we have to pick that first before we join the group meetup, which you can see is over here. It's already started, so if a program has started already, a group program in the meetup has already started, unfortunately you can't join. So please don't be late and make sure that you've got everything loaded up 15 minutes before the ride starts. So in this case you can see it started now, so we can't join. But when this prompt pops up where it says Julia Amers Meetup or Kevin's Meetup, you click on it and then you can join in. On Coach Kevin's workout, it'll say, I just want to go fast. It's the acronym for that IG, whatever it is that goes fast. So you'll see that prompt come up, but before you do that, you want to make sure you've selected your training for the day. So the training is in here. You could pick Just Ride and that's fine, but if you don't want to do that, then join us on our Training Peaks ride. So you'll see here, there's a column that says Training Peaks Custom Workouts. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on that. We're doing the long elevator zone workout. And then if you look all the way at the bottom of your screen, you can then click Workout. This will then get you started in that workout. Then you'll go over to the top and click Started. And that'll allow you to join the meetup and ride. And into whatever land you land in, you go. So it says Julia Amers Meetup has already started. It's time to ride. Are you ready to go now? So if you miss the meetup, you can still go, but you won't meet up with the group. So you click Let's Go, and off you go onto that workout on your own. Or if you manage to get into the meetup, then you click on that meetup option. So it'll be a bit confusing at the beginning, but hang in there and enjoy the ride. And remember to connect to us on Discord as well. And if you have any problems, you can chat on Discord about what's going on. Have a great ride. We'll see you in Watopia.